Take another hit, but I'm already high. Told myself I wouldn't, why do I even try? Here I go again, fucking up my head, staying home and getting stoned instead. I know that I shouldn't, I can't prioritize.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hi, it's me with very dark hair. I dyed my hair today and I have to say that I need to adjust to the change because I feel like it's so intense. Probably I'm going to regret this in like 1 month or so, but I wanted a change, and I did had black hair before, but it's been a long time, you know. And also this supposed to be a natural black hair, but it kinda looks jet black. I mean, I just dyed my hair, so probably it will fade a little bit, but yeah. Hi, it's me with black hair. As I said, probably I'm going to regret this, but anyway, because I colored my hair black, I wanted to do a very red makeup look, and I came out with this makeup look right here. I have to say that I'm not very pleased with how this turned out. You'll see why in the video, but to create this makeup look I used the Eyne from Beauty Bay, and the main reason to create this makeup look, it was this red eyeshadow right here. Also, I used the BH Cosmetics and Deisy collaboration palette and one eyeshadow from the Zulu palette, but yeah. And also I bought the Pro Longwear paint pot from MAC. I know, MAC, expensive. This is in the shade Soft Ochre, Soft Ochre, anyway. But I wanted to use this for the first time in today's video to see how it works for me, because I heard a lot of good things about it. Daisy Perkins use this all the time, so I wanted to give it a shot. But honestly, I don't like how this looked on my eyelids. This enhanced the texture that I don't have on my eyelids, and it's super sticky and thick. And I said no, let me go with my trusty concealer. I'm going to use this probably next time, or I don't know when, or probably I'm going to give it a try off camera to see how it works, because probably I don't know how this works. In today's video I'm going to shout out this girl right here. I'm going to insert a picture with her name. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Thank you so much for your support. She's so cute, so thank you so much for your support. She also has a YouTube channel, and if you want to go and subscribe or watch her videos, why not? She does bomb makeup. So that's that, and I guess that's it for this long ass intro. Let me know down below what hair color you like on me. Like, I don't know, I have to say that black is intense. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. So, I wasn't going to do a voiceover for this makeup look because I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory and the steps are very easy, in my opinion, of course, but here I am. So, as you saw, I started with my base. Next, I'm taking Karma from Deisy, Marquez, and BH Cosmetics, and I'm slowly building this color because, as you can see, it's so bright and so pigmented, so you want to take your time, and also I'm creating this cat eye shape. So basically this is what I'm doing for the next 2 minutes, adding more color and blending, and you know.
When I feel low, the party's where I go. Get a little tipsy, but I can't take it slow. Drink a little more, lay it on the floor. People knocking on the bathroom door. Try to play cool, but everybody knows.
By the way, I just woke up and I sound a little bit stuffy. I'm sorry for that. Next, I'm taking this reddish brown from the Zulu palette, and I'm basically doing the exact same steps. As you can see, I'm a little bit messy, so I'm taking a very clean brush and I'm going to take my time with the blending because I want that to look very seamless. Next, I'm taking a little bit of bittersweet because I want to darken the outer V, the outer corner,
whatever you want to call it. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but my eyes look so green with this red eyeshadow on. They never look this green, like never. They are muy verdes. Next, I'm taking my white concealer, and I'm so impressed with this clip right here. I mean, you saw how easy that was. It's never this easy to me to create a cut crease, so it's never this easy. I was super impressed. I don't know what happened that day, but it was super easy. So because I want that concealer to stay as white as possible, I'm taking a little bit of micellar water on a Q-tip, and I'm cleaning that part, not completely. As you can see, I left the end with eyeshadow on. And next I'm taking again that concealer, and as you can see, I'm taking my time. I'm working with this very thin, slim pencil brush, and I'm taking my time. As you can see, I messed a little bit that part, but with a little bit of red eyeshadow I kind of fix it. Shh, don't tell anyone. And as you can see, I'm creating this double cut crease wing liner situation. I don't even know how to call it. To set the concealer, I'm taking Stunt, and I'm not focusing to make this look cute because I'm going to go with the pigment on top. So next I'm taking my NYX primer, glitter primer, and also I noticed that if I apply too much of this glitter primer, the eyeshadow that I put on top, they break. So now I know I have to apply less, but anyway. And next I'm going to mix these two pigments. I know that I used them before, but I like them so much. They're so cute. And yeah, I'm going to apply that on top. And also, can we appreciate this close-up, because I figured out how to zoom in closer from the camera. Wow, a round of applause for me, yay! I feel like I'm getting smarter. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, for my bottom lash line, I'm going with this red liner. This is a lip liner. Don't do this at home. I'm doing this because I know it works for me, so be careful with that. Then I'm taking again Bittersweet, and I'm going to darken a little bit that bottom lash line, and also I'm going to connect the cat eye situation with my bottom lash line. And to blend everything out, I'm taking Karma, and that's it for my eye makeup look. And with the makeup wipe, I'm going to clean a little bit that wing to make it look very, very sharp. Very quick, I'm going to show you what I used on my face. So I'm starting with this Catrice primer. I really like this because it's so hydrating, and I have dry skin at the moment. If you have oily skin, probably this is not the best for you. Next, I'm going with my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and for concealer, I'm using the Jouer one. I still don't know how to feel about this concealer. I don't dislike it, but it's not my favorite. To set that, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I recently got this, and I have to say that this works better applying with a sponge than with a brush. I feel like I mentioned that in my previous video. And also I'm setting my smile lines, fine lines. To bronze my face, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics bronzer, and I forgot how pigmented this is. I had to blend that with my sponge to make it look okay. On top of that, I'm going to go with my Milani Baked bronzer in the shade Glow. This is so beautiful. It looks so natural on the skin. It adds this from within glow. I don't know how to explain, but you have to have this one. For the summertime, amazing. With the Morphe spray, I set those powders, and then I had this brilliant idea to apply the Flawless filter on top of powders. Even though I set those, this still lifted my foundation. I didn't show you that because you couldn't see it on camera, but thanks to my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlight, this saved the situation for me. So thank you, Hustler Baby. I'm forever grateful. Off camera, I applied my Lavio lashes in the style Kyoto, and right here I'm showing you a close-up with the situation on my lids. Not cute, but it's okay. It's okay. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using the same Fenty Beauty highlight, and because I want this to pop in my inner corners, I'm applying just a little bit of that Morphe spray on my brush, and you will see the difference.
Voices in my head go. Fuck, I always sabotage myself. This shit's always my
To set my brows in place, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Dip Gel, and as I said in my previous video, this gets a little bit too crusty for my liking, so I had to apply just a little bit, but I still like it. I still like it. And then I got distracted by these glitter goals from NYX, and I wanted to apply a little bit of that in my inner corners, so I did so, but you can't see that on camera. Anyway.
where I go. Get a little tipsy, but I can't take it slow. Drink a little more, lay it on the floor.
And to complete this makeup look, surprise, surprise, I'm going to go for a nude lipstick. I know you're not surprised, but what color would you do with this eye makeup look? Because I'm not about that drama, you know? Anyway, I'm using the BH Cosmetics lip liner, and on top of that, I'm going to go with this Dose of Colors Katie and Deisy collaboration, and that's it.
In my head go. Fuck, I always sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault and no.
Alright guys, and this is the final look. I have to say that I expected this color to be way more red, because honestly on my lid, when I applied this, it looked kind of pinkish, purpley red, if that makes sense. So I'm talking about Carpe Diem from the Ein palette. I'm a little bit disappointed, because I wanted my eyeshadows to be as red as my top. As you can see, they look a little bit more pink-ish kinda, and yeah, I really wanted this to be super red, but it's okay. I guess I have to play with this, and probably I should change the base. Other than that, I think I used this pigment combo in one of my previous videos, but I love this color so much. I'm talking about the pigments that I used in today's video. Oh, okay. Wow, it's intense. Let's okay. So I'm talking about the pigments, the mix that I did today, and as I said, as I remember, I think I used this combo before, but it's okay because it's so cute. And as you probably saw by now, my eyeshadows on the lids, like where I apply the NYX Glitter Primer, it always breaks, like it always cracks in there. And I think, I'm not completely sure, but I think I'm applying way too much glitter glue, so probably that's the reason. I noticed that on this eye I applied less glitter glue primer, and it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's not cracked but on this eye it did crack, so I think I need to use less product. But yeah, anyway, that's my fault, okay? That's not the eyeshadow's fault or the glitter primer fault. It's my fault because I'm applying way too much product. Oh, and I have to say that this doesn't work on top of powders, because it kind of lifted a little bit my foundation underneath, but the the highlight kind of fixed the situation, so this doesn't work on top of powders. But again, it was my mistake, so yeah. Okay guys, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.